Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Distrokid and selecting the correct artist profile. This avoids accidental edits to other releases. Once logged in, go to Music and click the release you intend to change. Distrokid shows status so you know if edits are allowed. Make sure to save or download current metadata, cover art, and SRC before editing. This protects you if something goes wrong and speeds up reverting changes later. Now you're ready to open the edit interface. You will now make the substantive edits. In the release editor, update titles, track order, or SRC fields, because accurate metadata ensures proper royalties and reporting. Once you replace cover art, confirm it meets Distrokid's pixel and file size rules. Poor images can be rejected. When swapping audio, re-upload the correct WAV or MP3 and check loudness standards to avoid platform normalization surprises. Also update credits, lyrics, territory. Once edits are complete, preview everything and save changes. Distrokid may prompt redelivery to stores, so confirm that to push updates live. You'll likely wait hours to a few days for platforms to process changes, so monitor your inbox and the release status. If a problem occurs, don't panic. Verify file formats, image dimensions, and metadata accuracy first. If issues persist, capture screenshots of errors and contact Distrokid support with those details. This speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.